Installing the best EHD9000 is the first step toward years of secure, safe door open and close operation. During this video, we'll walk you through the process to ensure correct installation and adjustment of this extra heavy-duty door closer. The EHD9000 Tri-Pack option comes with everything you see here, including self-adhering templates for ease of installation. See the instructions for a complete list of tools needed. Don't forget your step stool and safety glasses. Today, we're installing a parallel mount on a left-hand door. We decided to start by applying masking tape to the area being drilled to protect the door veneer. You may also move directly to template application based on your preference. Use the provided template to ensure the correct placement for installation. First, attach the template to the frame. Then, stick the template to the door, marking pilot holes with a punch or pencil for both the frame and the door. This will be where you will attach the EHD9000 body and begin drilling. Next, we can attach the EHD9000 body to the door. In this application, we are using self-tapping wood screws. Depending on your door construction, we have also supplied other screw types. Once all screws are tightened, you can move on to the arm mount. Attach the bracket so the flat side lines up with the frame where the door will close. Next, you can secure the flat arm shoe to the bracket with the provided screws. Now it's time to preload the pinion by placing a 1/2-inch wrench on the bottom pinion and rotating it 45 degrees toward the hinge. Now, simply drop the main arm onto the top of the pinion, parallel to the door, and secure it with a pinion screw. As you close the door, slide the hollow portion of the connecting arm over the bar. Pull the arm away from the closed door to loosely thread in the connecting arm screw. Adjust the length of the connecting arm until the main arm is parallel to the closed door. You may now tighten the connecting screw using the wrench or screwdriver. You're now ready to test the closer for preferred operation. The EHD9000 comes preset from the factory, but you have the ability to easily adjust spring force, sweep speed, and latch speed. All adjustment functions are front-facing and accessible while the unit is attached to the door, so you can easily see how the door reacts. Advanced variable back check must remain on for parallel arm mounting. Sweep speed, latch speed, and back check are adjusted as seen. Spring force is also adjustable while the closer is in place. The large spring force indicator provides information you need to alter your adjustment to the desired force for the door and its application. Once you are satisfied with the door operation, the final step is the application of the cover. Attach the cover over the closer body. Gently push or tap the cover until it snaps into place. The dual-point clamp mechanism ensures the cover stays put long after installation. For assistance or questions not addressed in the video or the instructions, please call 1-800-392-5209. Best, closing the door on the competition.